Hey there, thanks for clicking. Today we're breaking down last night's board meeting, including the announcement about the March 30th holiday, which will now be observed as Farmworkers Day. Plus, what's next for the proposed 1882 partnerships, a closer look at our new accelerated math initiative, that is, and a campus close-up at Black Middle School. It is Friday, March 20th. Well, last night was our board meeting right here at Hattie May. First, an update regarding Cesar Chavez Day, a student and staff holiday coming up on March 30th. Take a listen.
Houston ISD is aware of the recent allegations involving Cesar Chavez. We recognize that allegations of this nature are serious and can be deeply impactful, particularly for victims and survivors. After discussion, the board has agreed that the student and staff holiday scheduled for March 30th will be observed as planned and will be designated as Farmworkers Day. Regarding potential renaming of Chavez High School, the district will follow its established process. Any recommendations for renaming, as well as changes to next year's academic calendar, will be brought before the board. With respect to all those impacted by this information, we have time to engage in a thoughtful and timely process inclusive of our HISD community family, and we look forward to an engaging process. We will share some more information in the coming weeks.
Also at last night's meeting, the district recognized Milby High School for its Centennial.
Thank you. Welcome, Juliana.
Highlighting the school's deep roots in the East End community, where generations of families have attended the school. And Chief Riddick also shared an update on the proposed 1882 partnerships with the board. Now, those agreements will now be considered at a special meeting next Thursday, March 26.
Good evening, my name is Madison Dedman, and I'm a graduating senior at Energy Institute High School. I'm here because I'm approving Energy's 1882 partnership, and it's about protecting the kind of learning that prepares students for the future. At Energy, every student goes through an engineering pathway. Because projects are student-driven, I explored designing safer products that help people. These experiences showed me how to turn ideas into real solutions. Energy gave me more than credits. It gave me confidence, purpose, and real-world skills. An 1882 partnership helps ensure that future students can continue to learn this way.
Now, I've been telling you about these proposed partnerships this week right here in HISD Now. So in short, an 1882 partnership would allow some of HISD's top performing high schools, 4 of them, to partner with nonprofit organizations and operate with more flexibility. Now, these partnerships are designed to give campuses greater access to resources and more autonomy in how they run day-to-day operations. Now, if you want to learn more about each campus being considered, we posted videos featuring all 4 high schools right now on our YouTube channel. Now, here's a quick look at each one. First up is the Houston Academy for International Studies, where students are already earning college credit, traveling abroad, and building global connections. And now, the campus is looking to expand those opportunities even further. And Challenge Early College High School is building on a strong academic foundation with plans to expand college-level courses and create even more opportunities for students. Over to the Energy Institute High School, where innovation is already part of the culture, and with a track record of success, the campus is continuing to push forward in STEM learning. And Kinder HSPVA is a nationally recognized arts campus looking to take its programs to the next level and create even more opportunities for young artists across the Houston area. Well, this week I also told you about our new accelerated math initiative. It's designed to help all middle school students complete Algebra 1 by 8th grade. Now, this will open even more doors to advanced courses in high school and expand opportunities for college and career pathways. To learn more, check out this video on our YouTube channel featuring our Executive Director of Math and Science. She's breaking down what accelerated math means for students and families. A big thanks to the students and staff over at Black Middle School for welcoming us and showing us around their school this week for Campus Close-Up.
I came up through the program in 2003.
Check out today's news story about the state's largest karate program and how it's doing more than just teaching martial arts. It's building confidence, discipline, and life skills with one instructor coming full circle to give back to the same program that shaped him. And you can see all the stories we did this week on Black Middle School. They're all in this playlist right now on the channel. Parents, don't forget that we're currently accepting applications for our future 2 schools. Next year, C. Martinez and Gregg Elementary will transform into this new pre-K through 8th grade model. You can learn more on our website, and I'll also drop a link to the application right below. And virtual Launchpad applications are also being accepted. This is our new virtual school model that's also launching next year. Now, you have to apply first to see if your student is eligible. And for our pre-K families, there's a festival happening this weekend where you can explore our programs and get help with your application. Just show up anytime between 9 a.m. and noon tomorrow at Hartman Middle School. Also happening tomorrow is our district-wide teacher hiring event. Now, this runs from 8 a.m. until noon at Del Mar. If you're a qualified educator looking for an opportunity to make an impact, this is your chance to connect with campus and district leaders. Some candidates will even interview on the spot, so come prepared. That is it for today and this week on HISD Now. Thank you so much for connecting with us, and I'll see you right back here next week. Until then, have a great weekend.